At the College of DuPage, we teach what's called a chill water class. Chill water plants are responsible for the cooling of every commercial building in America. And what you're seeing here is what the students have built over the past few years to create a training system unlike any other that can also represent multiple engineered design systems. With that comes control. With that comes mechanical controls and electrical controls. And what we're watching here is an example of how buildings work in a micro-sized environment. We have multiple systems and multiple control strategies that we can construct for each and every one of our chillers and pumps to get them to run according to whatever design strategy we decide to employ, and then distribute that chill water throughout our entire lab environment, which basically hence gives us the ability to have a micro-sized central plant building environment within the confines of our lab, so that we can have the ability to not only use chill water in a different part of the lab, but study how it reacts with different control strategies. And what that gives our students is a distinct advantage of understanding one of the most complex and complicated systems that exists in high-performance buildings in America, and that is chill water plants.